Now I will show you how to connect a point into an adaptive point, so that it will follow once you change the location or direction of that adaptive point. So it will like be a thickness of a panel or a glass material. So let's go to review, metric, generic model adaptive. Here we need to set the work plane. Click show if you want. I'd like to set it show so I can see where I'm working on. Let's place some points. I find then let's select all this. Make sure you're not selecting any of the reference line. Press Ctrl. If you miss one, make it adaptive. Here you see the number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and these points are adaptive as they can move around once you select it and can move. So let's undo that. Ctrl C. What I would like to point out is placing another point on top of this point, and this point will be adapted same as this point. What I've done previously which I made the mistake is following this work plane. I didn't set the work plane property, so I got confused. And once I created this, it doesn't follow or connect to this point. So what we want to do is this: once you move this point will follow. So how to do it? Let's select this point, press tab, select this horizontal plane, and set it as work plane. Let's remove the point first, or we can also place this point, move it here, select it to the middle point. It's much easier to erase it and place a new point. Make sure you're placing it at the center. Click escape twice, press the point, select this arrow and move it. Now once you select this point, you will notice that this point is also following. You move it up, it will follow. So that is connecting a point into an adaptive point. When you want to create another point, you have to set the work plane again. So let's select this, press tab, select the horizontal and set it. Otherwise you're just following this work plane and it will not follow this plane. So let's create another point. Click escape twice, select it and move it up. Here we're going to test it again. It is moving in the same direction. We're going to do it on this third point, same thing. Press tab once you highlighted this point. Add the point, click escape twice, select the point and move it up. Test it again, please escape. Now we're going to do it on the fourth point. Let's select, press tab and set it as a work plane. Press the point, select it, click escape twice, select the point, drag it up, test the point, it will go. So these 4 points we created will be acting like a thickness of the material once we created a 3D material which is adaptive. So if you want to set this dimension, you can click here, so make it all equal. See the offset is this offset is from this point to this point. So let's make it create a parameter for it. Let's say it's let's create a new parameter. Let's set this as thickness. Click OK. So let's associate with a parameter. Create one. Thickness. Leave the rest at the same. What we're trying to do is once we change this thickness into, let's say, 5,000, Click apply, click OK. Is we want to maintain the same distance on all these points. So let's set all this as the same parameter. Press Ctrl and do the show. So let's select. Press Ctrl. Press Ctrl. On the offset, it's blank because of different distance. So let's set the parameter and select it to thickness. Now you will see all of them will be at the same height and same width. So that is how to create connect an adaptive point into an adaptive point and setting it on the same thickness and level. Thank you.